In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly navigate Microsoft Outlook to access your calendar. If you're like most people, keeping track of appointments, meetings, or any important dates is essential, and Outlook's calendar feature can help you with that. Whether you're new to Outlook or just need a quick refresher, I've got you covered with a simple and clear guide to getting your calendar up and running. The first thing you'll want to do is open up Microsoft Outlook on your computer. You might have a shortcut on your desktop, or you can search for it in your Start menu if you're using a Windows operating system. Make sure you have it installed. Otherwise, it's just a quick download and installation process from Microsoft's official website. Once you're in Outlook, you'll find yourself on the main screen, typically displaying your email inbox, as this is the default view for most users. Now, to access your calendar, you're going to want to shift your focus to a different section within Outlook. This is where the magic happens. On the lower left corner of the Outlook interface, you'll notice several icons lined up that represent different functionalities like Mail, Calendar, People, and Tasks. You'll want to direct your attention specifically to the Calendar icon. It might just look like a little calendar, almost like you'd expect to hang on your wall, but packed with digital power. Click on this icon. Once you click on the calendar icon, you'll be taken to a new window that displays your calendar. This is where you can view all your scheduled events, create new events, and organize your schedule. It's user-friendly, allowing you to view your calendar by day, week, or month, whichever way suits you best. You can easily navigate through dates and even switch between different calendar lists if you manage more than one. And just like that, you're in. Accessing your calendar might seem like a small step, but it sets the foundation for managing your time more efficiently. By getting familiar with these simple navigation steps, you're well on your way to mastering your schedule. So, with just those few clicks, you've accomplished what may seem simple on the outside, but is undoubtedly a powerful tool for organizing your life in today's fast-paced world. Remember, efficient time management starts with accessibility, and now you've got that covered. Thanks for tuning into this guide. Join us for more insightful tips and tricks to make your digital experience smoother and more productive.